Hello everyone, welcome to Pixel Spark. In this tutorial, I'll show you on how to embed social icons into your footer area and also how to customize your footer area. Now we have been working on this particular website in the past tutorials. So if you would like to know more about this, please watch my previous videos and you'll see videos on how to customize homepage or how to create a hero section, how to create an about us section and so on. So let's today learn how to embed these social icons into your footer area. So once we log on to our WordPress dashboard, we can click on appearance and then click this option which says widgets. Here you'll be able to customize your footer area. You can add details, but I would suggest that there's an easier option where we click customize. I'll show you how I did this. So here you can click customize and then you can go ahead and click this option which says footer, and here you'll be able to customize your footer area, and whatever changes you make will be visible at the same time. So one of the elements we have added is copyright. So here you'll be able to add whatever details you want. So for example, I have given a current year and site title. So it will display the current year and site title, and it is powered by, as you can see here, the site title displays here perfectly. The next thing we'll do is go to the footer menu, and here make sure our alignment is in line and it's perfect. Next is the widgets that we have. So let's look at the widgets. So here we have entered our address. We can change it to whatever we like. I have just kept a demo address at the moment. The next is socials. So here we will show, here we will see on how to customize these socials. So I've added Twitter, and here if you go to the icon library, you can choose whatever you want, or you can add a custom icon if you do like, or just go to the icon library and here you can search for various icons. I like this Twitter icon, so I'm keeping this, and the same with YouTube, Facebook and Instagram as well. So if you'd like to add more icons, for example Behance, if I press add icon, it just displays here, and if I want to search for other icons, I can do that. But Behance, there's this as well as there's another icon, but I like this one because it's well rounded, and all these icons display here perfectly. You can change the alignment if you'd like to, but this is the alignment that we go with because uh, our address is on the left hand side, we want the icons on the right hand side. So once you're done with this, you can just click publish, and it will display. It's as simple as that. And once we have a footer like this, So if you go to services or if you go to the contact page, see here that the footer remains the same. So the footer is a global section. So whichever page that you would go to, you see we'll have a similar footer. We'll have the same footer actually. So if you would like to have a custom footer for each page, you can do that as well. But then you'll have to disable this footer and create a custom footer. Disable it, you go to edit with Elementor. And then here, you have page settings, here Astra settings, and you can disable footer if you want to. So once you do that, and click, so as you can see, the footer does not display on this particular page. So I hope this tutorial was helpful. For more tutorials, stay tuned and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.